From its humble beginnings in 1949, when 50 hunters met in a coffee shop in a zoo, when there seemed no hope for the future of wildlife in South Africa, SA Hunters and Game Conservation Association has grown into Africa's largest member-based hunting and conservation organisation. The sound principles on which it operates, centred around community, respect, cooperation, ethics, education and responsible use, provide clear guidance to its members. The Namakwa branch of SA Hunters, formed in 2018, is one of the organization's newest. The chairman, Karel Oberholzer, is determined to make the branch successful.
Namakwa branch is situated in Springbok, Northern Cape, which apart from being a small branch as far as membership is concerned, area-wise we're probably the biggest in the country. Because we are the youngest branch, we like to perform. Hunting and conservation walks hand in hand, and to be able to continue to hunt, one have to get involved in the conservation part of our game. And we've got nice initiatives where we support our local parks. So one of them being Richtersveld, where we are at the moment, and then Gugab closer to Springbok.
The Namakwaland region, and especially Gugab, is known for its annual wildflower displays. You cannot believe that an area which is a rocky desert for the rest of the year, for 3 months of the year, is this absolute painting of colour. Gugab Nature Reserve was established in the 1960s. It was initiated by the Akip Copper Mining Company. A mine actually donated land to conservation. The original property size was 4,000 hectares, and it was declared as a protected area in 1966. Over the course of the years, we've been able to procure additional tracts of land. Currently, the reserve encompasses approximately 33,000 hectares now, and hopefully in future we'll be able to expand on this. Through expanding the property, we have been able to procure sites where highly endemic species occur. Currently the reserve have approximately 660 odd species of succulents, of which a very large number are endangered and protected.
One of the areas that we decided to focus our attention recently is the whole issue on succulent plant conservation. This is one of the areas that receives so little attention in South Africa, but out there it's a nightmare at the moment. There's a huge onslaught from international arenas on our succulent resources and our unique biodiversity of areas such as the Namakwaland and the Richtersveld.
Unfortunately, because of the high biodiversity value that we have, the area is a hotspot for illegal activities. Large numbers of plants and reptiles are illegally collected and poached.
It's a huge impact financial-wise for Namakwa, because you get a lot of foreigners coming to Namakwaland area to come and spend thousands of rand to see the beautiful fauna and flora of the Namakwaland area.
The protection of these areas are paramount, and we cannot do it alone. We need partners. So
if the poachers take over and SA hunters don't get involved, then the foreigners won't visit. And last year we've got a meeting between SANBI, WWF, nature conservation officers, the police, and we discussed how can SA hunters get involved in conservation in Namakwaland.
During 2019, they donated biodiversity monitoring equipment, including wildlife tracking cameras, PDAs, which we use for our monitoring, and binoculars. That assists us greatly because immediately it allows us more feet on the ground to assist with the monitoring, to assist with the policing of the area. One of our key challenges within the rural landscape is farming practices. The livelihoods of the people are linked to the land. Namakwaland is economically a very poor area, and if we can promote the area and conservation through our partners in a manner which can create an economic value to the communities, it will help a lot. A lot of it is about awareness and the buy-in from the communities. The moment you own something, the moment you see value in something, you are more prone to protect it.